Choosing the right bench power supply can be confusing. Unstable voltage, inaccurate current control, noisy output, and limited protection features can ruin your projects. Whether you're repairing electronics, building DIY circuits, or working in a professional lab, a reliable DC power supply is essential. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best bench power supplies you can buy. Stable, precise, and built for serious performance. We researched specifications and analyzed real user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. Number 5. Wanptek Adjustable DC Power Supply 30V10A. The Wanptek 30V10A adjustable DC power supply offers stable voltage regulation with a clear LED display for accurate monitoring. It provides smooth adjustment of both voltage and current, making it ideal for electronics repair and testing. With overload, short circuit, and over-temperature protection, it ensures safe operation during long working sessions. The compact design fits easily on any workbench, while the low ripple output keeps sensitive components protected. A dependable and budget-friendly option for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4. Jesverty DC Lab Power Supply 30-120V. The Jesverty DC Lab Power Supply stands out with its wide 30-120V adjustable range and encoder-based precision control. It supports dual input voltage 110V to 120V, making it suitable for global use. The digital display clearly shows voltage and current values, while stable regulation ensures consistent output performance. Ideal for advanced lab testing and high-voltage projects, this unit delivers reliable efficiency and safety protection features. If you need higher voltage flexibility with accurate control, this model is a powerful choice. Number 3. KUAIQ Variable Adjustable DC Power Supply. The KUAIQ Adjustable Switching DC Power Supply delivers 30-volt, 10-ampere performance with optional OCP and OVP protection for enhanced safety. Available in multiple configurations like 32-volt 6A, 60-volt, and 120-volt 3A, it offers flexibility for different project needs. The low-noise switching design ensures stable and efficient output, while the digital interface allows precise voltage and current adjustments. Compact yet powerful, it's well-suited for DIY electronics, circuit testing, and laboratory environments requiring consistent power delivery. Number 2. BSIDE Programmable DC Laboratory Power Supply. The BSIDE Programmable DC Power Supply combines advanced control with strong output performance, offering options like 30V10A and 40V20A. Its preset memory function allows users to save voltage and current settings for faster workflow. With adjustable regulation and stable switching technology, it ensures clean and reliable power output. Built-in protection systems enhance safety during demanding tasks. Ideal for professional labs and serious hobbyists, this model delivers precision, convenience, and dependable performance in one compact unit. Number 1. Nice Power Adjustable Laboratory DC Power Supply 0 to 30 volts, 0 to 5 amps. The Nice Power 0 to 30 volts, 0 to 5 amps variable DC power supply is a highly reliable and user-friendly option for maintenance and DIY work. It features smooth voltage and current adjustment with clear digital monitoring for accurate control. The regulated output ensures stable performance during circuit testing and electronics repair. Built-in protection against overload and short circuits keeps both the device and your project safe. Compact, efficient, and easy to operate, this model offers excellent value for beginners and professionals alike. A quality bench power supply ensures stable voltage, precise current control, and safe operation for any electronics project. B's 5 models offer reliable performance, smart protection features, and flexible output options. Whether for DIY repairs or professional lab work, there's a perfect choice here. Which one fits your needs? Comment below and subscribe for more tech reviews.